Astrophotography, capturing the beauty of the cosmos. Astrophotography captures the beauty of celestial objects and events, revealing the grandeur and diversity of the cosmos. It combines technical skills with creativity to create enthralling cosmic images. With the introduction of digital cameras and specialized equipment, astrophotography has become more accessible to amateur astronomers and hobbyists. Long exposure astrophotography allows us to catch the motion of celestial bodies, exposing the Earth's rotation and creating magnificent star trails. Astrophotographers can capture uncommon and awe-inspiring moments in the night sky by photographing celestial occurrences such as meteor showers or eclipses. Advanced astrophotography techniques such as stacking and picture processing can bring out subtle aspects in astronomical objects. Astrophotography bridges the gap between science and art by combining technical skills with creativity to create enthralling cosmic images. Through astrophotography, we can investigate and learn about various celestial objects, expanding our grasp of the cosmos and its mysteries. Astrophotography invites us to gaze up and admire the grandeur of the night sky, instilling awe and connectedness to the cosmos. Astrophotography allows us to capture the fleeting nature of celestial occurrences, such as star birth and death, and preserve them for future generations. Astrophotography adds to scientific study and aids astronomers in their studies of the universe by photographing celestial events. We can construct amazing time-lapse recordings depicting the movement and evolution of celestial objects over long periods of time using astrophotography. Astrophotography allows us to capture our home galaxy, the Milky Way, revealing its structure and highlighting its grandeur. We can record the splendor of the auroras with astrophotography, showcasing their bright colors and dancing lights in the night sky. We can shoot planetary conjunctions, creating unusual and visually spectacular compositions. Astrophotography captures the moon's majesty, displaying its craters, mountains, and the dance of light and shadow on its surface. Astrophotography allows us to see the grandeur and diversity of the cosmos by shooting deep sky phenomena such as galaxies and nebulae. We may capture the beauty of our own solar system, including planets, moons, and their complicated relationships, using astrophotography. Astrophotography allows you to picture the International Space Station, ISS, and other satellites passing by, highlighting humanity's presence in space. We may capture the ethereal glow of zodiacal light, a faint band of light that spans across the ecliptic in the night sky, using astrophotography. Astrophotography enables us to capture uncommon celestial events such as comets and supernovae, offering a visual record of these amazing occurrences. Astrophotography allows us to document the interaction between light pollution and the night sky, increasing awareness about the significance of protecting dark skies. We can make panoramic views of the night sky using astrophotography, immersing viewer in the vastness and grandeur of the cosmos. Astrophotography is a kind of creative expression since it allows photographers to transmit their own perspective and emotional connection to the universe. Using astrophotography, we may record the moon's various phases, from the delicate crescent to the full, bright orb, recording its changing appearance over time. Astrophotography captures images of the enigmatic phenomenon of the Milky Way's galactic center, exhibiting a dense concentration of stars and complicated dust lanes. We can capture the captivating beauty of the night sky reflected in motionless bodies of water using astrophotography, resulting in magnificent compositions. Astrophotography allows us to capture the enthralling northern lights, aurora borealis, and southern lights, aurora australis, highlighting their bright colors and dynamic movements. We may capture the courses and tracks of satellites as they orbit the Earth using astrophotography, illustrating the human presence in space. Astrophotography enables us to capture the delicate details of planetary surfaces, such as the intricate patterns in Jupiter's cloud bands or the rugged terrain of Mars.